Set reporting. Mike, thank you so much. Welcome to the team. We're looking outside right now. That rain is coming down. Thankfully, it stayed dry at Colts camp today. But
yeah, it did. And the sun came out, too, for a little while.
It was good.
But you felt the humidity. It came back. And
some guy showed up at our booth with a shirt and tie on.
Yeah, it was really weird.
That handsome devil.
We all had our polos on.
Fella just decided to pop in and then head on into work. You know, that's right.
We're like, well, why did you dress up? You didn't put it in the group chat or anything.
How do you know that I don't always wear a suit and tie everywhere I go?
I'm starting to think maybe you do.
That's
mowing
why.
the lawn in the suit and tie.
Cutting the grass in a suit.
Right.
Now that would be very,
you gotta
very
contact
good.
your
Not
neighbors.
today.
How about fixing the sump pump, or how about turning off this rain? Have you had enough of this? I think that's probably an understatement, to say the least. Once again, these tropical air mass that sets up shop here fosters these big-time downpours, and that's what we had. Earlier on in the day, a little more energized as they started to bubble up during the peak heating of the day. Few of these started to produce some funnels. We had a funnel reported just west of Ball State University, up near Muncie and into Delaware County. Then we had big-time rains through portions of Madison County, a few strong thunderstorm wind gusts, but it has all now transitioned to what will be a steady and at times pockets of heavy rain and some grumbles and rumbles of thunder from time to time as well. It absolutely started to unload here on the northwest side of Indianapolis, but only within the last hour. It's been raining pretty steadily, and I've heard from many of our weather watchers up to our north that have been picking up on the heavy rainfall. This is what it looks like right now at Wolfie's Grill on Geist in the northeast side of Marion County and up towards Fishers. It is coming down in buckets, and here's another view here at the Civic Plaza in Lawrence. This does look a little better than it did, say, about 20 minutes ago. The rain is here, but it has shown some signs of becoming a little bit more patchy or broken up, or not as prolific as it was a few hours ago when it was unloading here up into Delaware County. It was unloading in Alexandria back towards, say, Lafayette. This is all continuing to pivot a little further south. So while it may be easing up on the north side, and it will eventually, all of this is drifting to some heavy downpours now into northern Morgan County and extending all the way back into Putnam County, Montgomery County as well. Numerous flash flood warnings are still out. You can see the big bands of heavy rain from Richmond to Newcastle, from Muncie through Alexandria. I'm pardon? I don't know that one. Oh, okay. Well, I don't know. Father, I swear I will stop the rain when I can. The storms and showers and storms will continue to roll through the area. Do we have a PA system going on here right now? Dan, your car is ready. We're pulling it around front for the start of the 11 o'clock news. The biggest rainfall numbers, though, that we were able to tally is in that band that's off to our north and west. Live TV, folks, 1.45 inches in Tipton. This is the 2.5-inch report in Frankfort. This is Lafayette, where it was half inch. Just south of Lafayette, 4.5 inches of rainfall. So that's how decidedly selective it can get. We will continue to see this rain drift southbound, so it will improve in terms of the heavy rainfall in north central Indiana. But any kind of rainfall, because the ground is so saturated, hence the flood watch is in effect, you can have a quick rise in those low-lying areas. You can easily see these little streams and creeks fill up again and flood over roadways. And I feel that that will likely be the problem going forward during the overnight hours as a lot of this continues to settle south. There will be additional pockets of 1, 1.5, 2-inch rainfalls through daybreak. So we're going to get some breaks here once we get a front to come through the area. It's 73 degrees right now. This is the problem. The dew points were back up into the 70s today. You could feel that heavy air, but with a wind shift eventually underway, the slow-moving front is going to work its way southbound by daybreak, slowly taking the rain with it. The bigger storms tonight will be associated once again with that hot dome that is trying to get suppressed even further south. So again, we pointed to two channels here. This is more associated with the northern branch of the jet stream. Big thunderstorm cluster moving into the Boot Heel of Missouri later tonight. This jet stream is favorable because it's starting to dig a little further deeper into the eastern half of the nation. That will permit cooler, drier air to get here. Doesn't get here fast enough, so plan on thundery downpours. Nothing severe in terms of thunder and lightning or strong wind gusts, but certainly depositing heavy rain by daybreak. By tomorrow, mid-morning to early afternoon, all of this rain is settling south. We'll begin to brighten up the skies overhead. Could actually still produce a spotty shower in the afternoon, maybe a brief downpour, but that's a product of pulling in the drier, more comfortable air, and we will be set for smoother sailing for the rest of the second half of this work week. 66 is the steady low temperature tonight, right there, hovering really, with the high humidity and heavy downpours slowly departing in the morning, settling south. Weather will improve, still a spotty shower chance into the afternoon or early evening, but those are rather mild temperatures for the next several days. We've got Symphony on the Prairie on Friday night. It's a go. Only a few showers around on Saturday, 80. And don't forget the Greek Fest. Opa! Friday and Saturday. Maybe, just maybe, they'll let me be the mayor of Greek Fest this year.